Alexander George Perez, and I'm going to do a science experiment today to see if this volcano is going to blow up. So first I'm going to pour this food coloring.
What's in that solution?
Oh, there is some red food coloring and vinegar, and inside of here is red food coloring and vinegar and some baking soda. So now I am going to pour this in and then it'll erupt.
What's causing that? It's a chemical reaction.
It's a chemical reaction.
Amazing. This is very good. Wow.
Maybe you should turn it around. Wait, hold on. Wait, hold on.
That's fine.
So how was that?
Excellent. Applaud.